Good morning, junior deputies. Welcome to your bike along.
Do we get to be like Steel Awesome chasing Muffler Crunk? Like this?
I'll see what I can do. You'll be learning what an officer of the law does every day. And if you follow my instructions and stick to the rules, you'll all earn your junior deputy badges.
Yeah!
Oh,
Right!
nice!
I need that one!
Let's roll! Now, for your own safety today, there are very important rules. First rule, stay where I can see you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, so good. Next rule, travel in single file.
This isn't single file. This is some other file. Let's get in line. When are we going to, do something exciting?
Like what, Ricky?
Like, when Steel Awesome was a police officer and stopped Muffler Crunk's plans in two-wheel justice.
That does sound exciting, Ricky. But driving in single file can be just as exciting.
Is this exciting? I can't tell anymore.
Huh? Looks like we have a code 47.
Really? Is that trouble? Danger? Dangerous trouble?
Next rule, always stop and look when approaching any situation.
What do I look at?
Better wait here, buddies. We've got a very serious situation.
It doesn't look serious to me. It's just my dad. Hi, Dad!
Good morning, Officer Bunker.
Good morning, Fred. Now, just stay calm.
Calm? Why? What's wrong?
I just need to inspect.
Hey, I recognise that trailer.
Yeah, it's my dad's junk collection trailer.
Or so it appears. Scootio, show us two-wheel justice, panel 4.
Okay.
Your dad's carrying Muffler Crunk's mind controller in his trailer. If he zaps you with it, he can make you do whatever he wants. I've got to warn Officer Bunker.
My dad never told me that he had a mind controller.
Fred, you have a code 47. Your trailer is not properly hitched.
Oh no, it's going down the hill!
Not on my watch.
Whoa!
Oh, thanks, Officer Bunker.
Just doing my job. There you go. Code 0. A-OK.
No, it's not. This isn't just a trailer. It's a mind controller.
Huh?
Sorry, Ricky. Just old tech junk in this trunk.
Time to roll out, buddies. And the most important rule, stick with the group. You can't help each other if you get separated. Uh-oh. Looks like a code 77D. A very serious one, too.
Really? What do we do? Is there danger? Should we spring into action?
Yes, without delay. This sign is a little crooked. The rules say that all signs must be perfectly straight. DJ can help with this one.
Yes!
Perfect.
Happy to help.
Wheelford needs clear and visible signs to help bikes go in the right direction to the right place. Stick together now. Remember the rules. Ricky, what's the matter?
When are we going to chase somebody or escape flying ninja bikes? Or stop one of Muffler Crunk's plots?
I don't think I've stopped any plots this week. Or ever. But you never know what's right around the corner.
What is that?
77F, signpost bent slightly.
Scootio, show me two-wheel justice, page 7.
Got it!
I think this is Muffler Crunk's secret hideout. Officer Bunker, what's that place?
Oh, that's just an abandoned garage.
Shouldn't we check it out?
It's a code zero, Ricky. A-OK. Nobody has used it in years.
I'm taking a closer look. Hey, those tracks look fresh. Officer Bunker, if nobody's used it in years, how come there are fresh tracks? And I've detected something moving inside. It must be Muffler Crunk.
You might be onto something.
Yes, a plot. Can we stop it? Can we?
No, we don't just go plot stopping willy-nilly. No, there are rules. I'll go check it out.
Great. And you'll need your junior deputies for backup.
Put on your brakes, Ricky. I'll call if I need backup.
Something doesn't seem right. It's too easy. Almost like a trap.
Officer Bunker knows what he's doing, Ricky. He'll be...
Mind controlled. Oh, you think everything's a mind controller. Scootio, show page 12. He's right. I knew it. What do we do? I'm gonna go rescue him. We have to follow the rules.
Yeah, we're supposed to stay...
Zoom out.
together.
Hang on, Officer Bunker! Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
I'll handle it.
Oh no! I'm too late! He's already been zapped by the mind controller! I've got to get him out of there! I can't get in! What do I do? What do I do?
Ricky, we're here to help.
Okay, guys, all together, stop and look for a way in!
I'll check the roof. Zoom cam, go!
There's a window on the roof.
If I can get in through that, I could fix the garage door motor.
Great idea, DJ. Deputy Bike Buddies are going. Single file, everybody.
Zoom cam, stay on DJ. Ready?
You are built heavy. Leave it alone.
Just a little more.
Got it.
Don't let me down. Slowly. Okay.
I can't get a picture from Zoom cam. It's too dark.
I'll use my zoom visor and sound detector.
Yes, I can fix this. That should do it.
DJ's almost fixed the door motor.
Now I'll pull this lever and open the door. Oh, yes!
Officer Bunker! We're saving you. Don't listen to Muffler Crunk. Whatever he told you to do, don't do it.
Muffler Crunk?
I heard him talking to you inside the garage. It's him! Hold on to your minds!
Hello. Huh?
Blip?
No muffler crunk here, Ricky. Just a mix-up. Right, Blip?
Thanks for getting me out there, Officer Bunker. I thought I'd be stuck in there all day.
But what were you doing there in the first place?
Wrong address for this pizza delivery.
Code 0. Hey, okay.
Silly crooked sign. If only it was straight, I'd never have been in this mess.
Line up. Congratulations, deputies. I am impressed. You followed all the rules.
Yeah!
And in honor of your bravery, you've all earned these junior deputy badges.
When's it going to be here? Is that it? No, just DJ. Is it here yet? No, but it's got to be here any minute. Are we waiting for something? I thought we just really liked hanging around this mailbox. Loop, don't you remember? I saved up 500 boxes of Steel Awesome cereal to get a free surprise rescue toy. Whoa! You eat a lot of cereal.
Hey, kids.
Ah, it's here! Dad!
Hey there, Loop.
Mr. Hoopla, we're expecting a very important package. Do you have it?
Oh, you mean this very important package?
Whoa!
Oh, wait. No, that's not it. Now, it's got to be here somewhere. No, it's not there, not there. Aha!
Whoa!
Oops, that's not it either. Oh, sorry, gang. Crankshaft catalogue day. Now, where did that package go? Aha! Here it is. Says right here. Zoom. That must be you, Ricky.
Thanks, Mr. Hoopla.
Ah, my pleasure, Ricky. Every package to its rightful owner. That's our motto. Now, back to my appointed rounds. Neither rain nor snow. No, wait, that's right. I do snow. Neither rain.
It's amazing! He hasn't even opened it yet. You mean there's more? Whoa! It's amazing! Wait, it's not amazing at all. Hold on a second. Whoa! A rescue ramp! No way!
Not just any rescue ramp. Look! It's mechanically automated with 3 positions.
Whoa! Fantastic!
Amazing! It seems to be made for high long jumps. You know, to get to hard-to-reach places, just like a
Real rescue bike! This is too good to be true!
And with the push of this button, snap, it folds up.
Somewhere out there is a bike in need of us. And with this rescue ramp, we'll be able to help. This is zoom-tastic! Yeah, rescue spree! Yee-haw!
On you... Ricky! Loop! DJ! Where are you, kids? I gave you the wrong package. This is your package. Don, you've really done it this time. Supposed to be every package to its rightful owner, not every package to whoever happens to be standing around. Oh, I've got to find Ricky and get that package back.
Let's find a bike to rescue. Zoom cam, go!
I don't see anyone who needs rescuing. There's a tyre stuck on the lamppost.
Then I'll rescue that. Hold on, little tyre. Ricky will save you. I'm just going to put it on the smallest setting for now until I get used to it. Rev and roll! Whoa! Whoa!
You okay, Ricky?
I'm zoom-tastic. It's a little bouncier than I thought it would be. Wow! Oh! He's right. It is bouncy.
You just need a little more practice.
Great idea, DJ. Best way to practice is to find someone to rescue. Come on, guys.
Ricky! Ricky!
Ricky, look!
Buster needs help.
I know just how to help him. We're setting the ramp to size 2.
Don't worry, Buster. I'll get your ball.
Let's see what this new rescue toy can really do. Ricky to the rescue!
There goes Sergeant Teddy. Let's get him.
Are you all right, Ricky?
That ramp is hard to use.
I'm okay. I've got everything under control. The ball. We've got to get Buster's ball back. Come on, five buddies. Sergeant Teddy.
Sergeant Teddy's going to have to find his own way down, Buster. I don't think you can get up there. Sergeant Teddy.
Whoa! Bike stuck. Repeat. Bike stuck.
Whoa! Buster!
Why does no one ever listen to me?
Officer Bunker to Hank and Helen Zoom. We've got an emergency 397 over at the adventure park. Time to roll. Coming, Helen?
Ambulance bike Helen Zoom reporting for duty.
I just wish I had my new rescue ramp. It was supposed to be here today. There it is. This could be exactly what this rescue needs. Hank and Helen, my grandson's caught on the ledge. Now, according to regulations, the first thing we have to do
Rescue
is...
the stranded bike by any and all available methods.
Correct. Buster Bunker's a future law bike.
Looks like a job for the new rescue ramp.
Exactly what I was thinking. Not quite what I was expecting. Do you think these are the latest rescue tools?
Would the latest rescue tool have a steel awesome sticker on it?
That is a bit surprising.
Surprise? That's Ricky's surprise rescue toy. He got it from the cereal boxes.
Do you think you can make them work, Hank?
Well, I did have a pair of these when I was little. Maybe it will come back to me. I was much smaller the last time I used these. Stand back, clear the way. Whoa! Oh! Like I said, I was a lot smaller last time I used these.
Are we gonna finish the rescue now?
Oh, of course. Just as soon as I figure out how.
Whoa! It's like it doesn't want to be caught.
Ricky! That toys wasn't yours. It was your father's.
Wait, does that mean...
That's not a toy. It's a real rescue ramp.
And my dad might need it.
That's exactly what that means.
Scootio, DJ, go catch that ball. Luke, come on. Dad?
I thought your dad was supposed to do the rescuing.
I'm sorry, Dad. I have your ramp.
He knows, Ricky. I'm the one who figured it out. I'm smart that way.
Well, I've got the ramp. I guess I'm the one who has to use it to get him down.
Oh, without training, you'll just bounce all over the place.
Boy, did we find that out the hard way? I know, but I think I've got an idea.
I can't watch. I can't not watch. I'll do both.
Ricky, are you sure about this?
Give him a chance, Hank. Are you ready, Ricky?
Ready, Mum.
It's not high enough.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Push it higher!
Oh no! Slow-mo!
That's it, Ricky.
Yes! You can come down now, Dad!
Hank Zoom, ready to rescue. Let's get you and Sergeant Teddy down, Buster.
And here's your ball.
Hey?
Scootio and DJ should have your ball really soon.
That's my boy. A chip off the old bike.
He's going to make a great rescue bike someday.
Sorry about your rescue ramp, Ricky. I don't think they're made for big bikes like me.
That's okay. You can help me eat 500 more boxes of cereal. I hope you're hungry.
Camera rolling. And action.
Hi, it's me, Ricky Zoo.
Wait, Luke, we need sound.
Whoa!
Sorry, Ricky. That was me.
Rolling.
Hi, I'm Ricky Zoo, but you probably recognise me better when I do this. And I'm the star of our movie about my town, Wheelford.
Huh? Whoa! That's enough special effects, DJ.
You can never have enough special effects. Yeah!
OK, class, you've got the rest of the day to finish your movies about Wheelford.
And the winning movie will be shown on the big screen at the Wheelford Biking Movie Theatre.
Enjoy your movie making.
Me? On the big screen? Let's go, bike buddies!
Yes! That's good. Can you do it again? Faster.
I can always be faster. Vroom!
Hey, Ricky. It looks like you're making a movie. I love movies. Can I help? I can help.
Sure. You can be in charge of, lights.
Light it up.
Maybe a bigger light.
Got it. Maybe Maxwell has one.
Maxwell. Roll it, Scootio.
Action.
To find out how Wheelford got to be so great, we need to ask someone who's lived here a long time.
How do I look? No, you can't see the dent in my fender, can you?
Maxwell, of Maxwell Service Station. Tell us about Wheelford and how it got started and stuff. Oh.
This scene needs music!
time ago, my dad, Maxwell Senior, opened up a garage right here. When the town was just starting out. And, oh, can we turn that music down?
Sorry! So it was your garage that helped make Wheelford the great town it is today. Great story, Maxwell.
Yeah, I can tell it again in close-up if you want.
Cool, Toot.
I look good in close-up.
Oh, Toot. Not a light. Not a light. Ooh, what's this?
Oh! What's happening? Am I doing something funny?
Toot is so funny.
Can I see what we've got on the camera so far? The stuff with me and Maxwell.
Yeah, okay. Let me find it. Not that. That was the best.
Did you get any video of me?
Oh, yeah, totally. Let me just... maybe no. Hold on.
Not
There's got to be.
Look good in close-up.
Oh, this
Good in
one.
close-up.
No. No.
Oh, these are all shots of Toot.
Sorry, Ricky. She was really funny.
Yeah. I almost flooded my engine laughing.
I wasn't trying to be funny. I was trying to get a light so I could make a movie with you guys. And I did! Yeah!
Well, let's go interview Officer Bunker. And this time, keep the camera on the real action, okay?
Oh!
Officer Bunker, what do you think is the best thing about Wheelford?
Well, let's see. Wheelford, well, there's not much traffic. Just the occasional speedster.
Do you give people tickets?
Yes, when they break the rules.
Can you show us? Give me a ticket. It'd be great for our movie.
Well, I'm only allowed to give tickets when a rule has been broken. That's also a rule.
Please! It's for our school project.
It can get shown on the big screen.
On the big screen, eh? Well, maybe just this once.
Fantastic!
Ricky Zoom, I am giving you a ticket for... What's the ticket for?
Being awesome.
We don't give tickets for that.
Just pretend.
It's pretty awesome.
Oh, got it. I am giving you a ticket for being awesome.
What a cool machine!
I'm sorry, Officer Bunker, but I just can't stop.
Hey, wait, just 1 minute, Toot.
She's doing that thing again. But she's funny.
Yay! That's official police equipment.
Stop in the name of the law.
That's enough now, Toot. Those are for police officer use only.
I'm Sergeant 2, and you need a ticket.
No more tickets.
This is great! I'm getting it all on camera.
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Second funniest is the look on Ricky's face right now. Oh, wait. That's not funny. Why do you look like that?
Oh, aren't we forgetting what this movie's supposed to be about?
You?
Yes! I mean, no. It's about Wheelford. Hey, I know what would be great. What's Wheelford without its awesome team of rescue bikes?
I'm sorry, Ricky. We can't do an interview right now. We're on our way to an emergency.
Loop, your dad got stuck in a pothole on his mail route.
Yeah, he does that a lot.
Can we come? Please? It could be a big rescue scene for our movie.
All right, but make sure to stay clear of the rescue, honey. Wouldn't want to be pulling you out of that pothole too.
Zoom on! Our movie's gonna be great! Fantastic!
What can I say? It's the Hoopla family curse. We just don't see potholes until we're in them.
Go on, we'll throw you a line.
Yeah, we'll get you out of there in a flash.
No wonder he fell in. It's all oily here. Whoa!
Here she goes again. Can I do something? I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
OK then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole! Mum! Dad!
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me. Film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Oh, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say.
Wheelford is great for so many reasons. But what makes it special are the people in it. Friends.
And family.
Wait! There's still some special effects!